Welcome back to Garden Decor Designs, your premier destination for sophisticated outdoor enhancements. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Today we're diving into a topic that proves you don't need acres of land to enjoy the bounty of a fresh harvest. The incredible world of small vegetable gardens. Many of us dream of having a lush, productive vegetable patch, but the reality of limited space often holds us back. Well, I'm here to tell you that those days are over. Small vegetable gardens are not just a trend. They're a smart, beautiful, and highly rewarding way to bring fresh, organic produce right to your doorstep, no matter how tiny your outdoor area might be. So, what exactly do we mean by a small vegetable garden? Essentially, it's a garden designed to maximize yield within a limited footprint. This can range from a few pots on a balcony to cleverly designed raised beds in a compact yard, or even vertical systems on a wall. It's all about smart planning, efficient use of space, and selecting plants that thrive in these environments. It's about making every square inch count and turning constraints into creative opportunities for abundant growth. Now, why should you consider embarking on this small-scale gardening adventure? The benefits are truly abundant. Firstly, freshness and flavor are unmatched. Imagine stepping outside and plucking ripe tomatoes or crisp lettuce just moments before your meal. The taste difference between homegrown and store-bought produce is phenomenal, as your vegetables are harvested at their peak ripeness. Secondly, a small vegetable garden promotes health and well-being. Gardening is a fantastic form of exercise and stress relief. Spending time outdoors, connecting with nature, and nurturing plants can significantly boost your mood and mental clarity. Plus, knowing exactly what goes into your food gives you peace of mind about its quality and safety, free from pesticides and harmful chemicals. Thirdly, it's incredibly cost-effective. While there's an initial investment, over time, growing your own produce can significantly reduce your grocery bill. Imagine not having to buy expensive organic herbs or specialty vegetables when you can grow them for pennies. Lastly, small vegetable gardens offer aesthetic appeal and a sense of accomplishment. A well-designed small garden can transform an otherwise drab patio or balcony into a vibrant, living space, adding beauty and charm to your home. And there's an immense sense of pride and satisfaction that comes from nurturing a tiny seed into a delicious harvest. It's a truly rewarding hobby that yields tangible results. Beyond just growing food, a small vegetable garden can be a stunning addition to your home decor. The key is to think of it as an extension of your living space. Start with attractive containers. Forget plain plastic pots. Opt for ceramic, terracotta, or galvanized metal planters that complement your home's aesthetic. You can mix and match shapes and sizes for visual interest. Consider painting them in vibrant colors or subtle pastels to match your outdoor furniture or house trim. Incorporate decorative elements like trellises, arbors, or garden art. These not only provide support for climbing plants but also add vertical interest and a touch of elegance. A small bird bath, a whimsical wind chime, or even some fairy lights can create a magical atmosphere. Think about pathways and edging. Even in a small space, a defined path using stepping stones or gravel can make the garden feel more organized and inviting. Edging around raised beds or container groupings can also add a neat and polished look. Don't forget to include flowers. Companion planting with beneficial flowers like marigolds, nasturtiums, or borage not only helps deter pests, but also adds splashes of color and beauty, attracting pollinators and enhancing the overall visual appeal of your vegetable patch. Remember, every element, no matter how small, contributes to the overall charm and functionality of your compact garden oasis. When space is limited, plant selection is crucial. You want varieties that are compact, productive, and perhaps even offer multiple harvests. Here are some of the best plants for your small vegetable garden. First, lettuce and leafy greens. Varieties like loose-leaf lettuce, spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are perfect. You can harvest outer leaves continuously, and many varieties are quite ornamental. They grow quickly and don't require deep roots. Second, herbs. Basil, mint, parsley, cilantro, chives, and thyme are excellent for pots. They are compact, incredibly fragrant, and essential for cooking. Many herbs like basil and chives also produce lovely flowers. Third, radishes. These quick-growing root vegetables are ready in a few weeks and don't need much space. They're a fantastic choice for beginner gardeners or for filling in small gaps. Fourth, bush beans. Unlike pole beans, bush beans are more compact and don't require trellising. They offer a good yield in a small area. Look for dwarf or bush varieties. Fifth, cherry tomatoes. While full-size tomatoes can be unruly, cherry tomato varieties are often more manageable in containers or small beds, especially determinate types. They produce a continuous supply of sweet fruit. Sixth, peppers. Bell peppers and chili peppers can be grown successfully in pots, provided they get enough sun. They offer a good yield and add vibrant color to your garden. Seventh, carrots. Look for Danvers half-long or nonce varieties that thrive in shallower containers. Growing carrots in pots means you can control the soil and prevent misshapen roots. Eighth, strawberries. Perfect for hanging baskets or tiered planters, strawberries are beautiful and provide delicious fruit. They are perennial, so they'll come back year after year. Ninth, cucumbers. Similar to bush beans, select compact bush cucumber varieties that don't vine extensively, making them suitable for smaller spaces. 10th, eggplant. Certain dwarf eggplant varieties can be quite productive in large containers, offering beautiful purple fruit. Now let's get some serious inspiration from some of the most beautiful and clever small vegetable gardens out there. We've got 10 amazing ideas to show you. One, Deckside Delight. Compact tomato powerhouse in self-watering planters. This vibrant deckside vegetable garden showcases an ingenious use of space with several tomato plants thriving in what appear to be self-watering containers. The sturdy green trellises provide essential support for the heavily laden branches, boasting a stunning array of ripe red, orange, and even deep purple tomatoes. A charming wicker basket filled with a fresh harvest of orange and yellow cherry tomatoes sits invitingly on the wooden deck, highlighting the immediate reward of growing your own. The plush outdoor sofa in the background suggests a seamless integration of this productive garden into a comfortable living area, making fresh produce easily accessible for outdoor entertaining or daily meals. This setup proves that even a small deck can become a highly productive and beautiful edible landscape. 2, Classic Charm. Symmetrical and productive backyard oasis with a picket fence. This picturesque small vegetable garden exudes classic charm, neatly organized within the embrace of a pristine white picket fence. A charming stone path gracefully bisects the garden, leading the eye towards an impressive wooden trellis supporting lush, climbing plants at the back. On either side of the path, symmetrical rows of various vegetables, including vibrant green leafy greens and plump red tomatoes, are meticulously planted in well-tended beds. The vibrant green foliage is contrasted by the crisp white fence, creating a serene and inviting atmosphere. Tall, mature trees in the background provide a lush natural backdrop, enhancing the feeling of a secluded and productive backyard haven. This design beautifully marries traditional aesthetics with practical, bountiful gardening. 3, Whimsical Wonderland. Fenced raised beds with arbors and a potting shed. This aerial view reveals a beautifully organized and expansive small vegetable garden, enclosed by a charming white picket fence. The garden features multiple raised beds of varying sizes, all meticulously tended and bursting with a variety of green plants. A delightful white arbor serves as a gateway, inviting visitors into this verdant space. In the background, a quaint potting shed with a light-colored roof adds a rustic touch and practical storage. Gravel pathways weave between the beds, providing clean access and enhancing the garden's neat appearance. The combination of structured raised beds, decorative arbors, and the functional shed creates a cohesive and highly productive garden space that is both visually appealing and incredibly efficient for growing a diverse range of vegetables and flowers. 4, Rustic and Resourceful. Unique raised beds and upcycled planters in a fenced plot. This creatively designed small vegetable garden embraces an eclectic and resourceful approach, enclosed within a sturdy wire and wooden fence. The garden floor is covered with gravel, providing good drainage and a clean aesthetic. A variety of planting containers are cleverly utilized, including traditional raised wooden beds, large galvanized metal tubs, and even a repurposed old bathtub serving as a unique planter. Lush green plants, some supported by small trellises, fill these diverse containers. In the center, A decorative metal windmill adds a whimsical touch. The overall design showcases how everyday objects can be transformed into functional and charming elements within a productive and distinctly personal garden space, offering plenty of room for experimentation and unique plant arrangements. 5 elegant edibles, tiered raised beds and lighting in a modern garden design. This sophisticated small vegetable garden, aptly named Magnolia Garden, as indicated by the stylish sign, features a series of beautifully crafted wooden raised beds set against a backdrop of dark gravel and light-colored stepping stones. Each bed is thoughtfully filled with a diverse array of healthy green vegetables and flowering plants, some supported by elegant metal trellises. Subtle string lights are draped along the dense green hedge in the background, hinting at a magical ambience for evening enjoyment. The design is clean, contemporary, and highly organized, demonstrating how edible gardening can be seamlessly integrated into a refined outdoor living space. The varying heights and arrangements of the beds create visual interest, making this garden both productive and exceptionally chic. 6 bountiful box beds, diverse harvests and companion planting in action. This close-up shot captures the lush vitality of a small vegetable garden, showcasing neatly constructed wooden raised beds brimming with a rich variety of plants. Prominent among them are healthy heads of purple cabbage, vibrant green lettuce, and bright orange calendula flowers, which likely serve as both beautification and beneficial companion plants. The diverse textures and colors of the foliage create a visually appealing tapestry, hinting at a well-planned garden with varied harvests. Gravel pathways are visible between the beds, maintaining a tidy and accessible layout. This image highlights the beauty and productivity that can be achieved in compact raised bed systems, demonstrating successful companion planting and the joy of a diverse edible garden. 7 peaceful patio plot, spacious raised beds and leisure seating in a fenced garden. This serene small vegetable garden is beautifully laid out on a spacious gravel patio, thoughtfully enclosed by a rustic wooden picket fence. The design features multiple large raised wooden beds, generously planted with a variety of healthy green vegetables including cabbages and leafy greens. A wooden bench is strategically placed between 2 of the beds, offering a tranquil spot for rest or contemplation amidst the greenery. Tall wooden trellises in some of the beds suggest support for climbing plants, adding vertical dimension. The surrounding lush green lawn and distant trees contribute to the peaceful, idyllic atmosphere, making this garden an inviting and productive outdoor sanctuary where functionality meets relaxation. 8 formal flair, elegant edible landscape with boxwood hedges and cobblestone paths. This stunning image presents a highly organized and elegant small vegetable garden that merges functionality with formal garden design. The beds, filled with various shades of green leafy vegetables and cabbages, are meticulously edged with perfectly manicured boxwood hedges, creating clean, defined boundaries. Intricate cobblestone pathways wind through the garden, guiding the eye and providing easy access to all planting areas. In the background, tall, decorative metal fences covered with climbing greenery add a stately backdrop, further enhancing the formal aesthetic. This garden demonstrates that even a productive vegetable patch can be a sophisticated and beautiful landscape, perfect for those who appreciate structured and refined outdoor spaces. 9 creative and colorful, upcycled bottle edging and vibrant raised beds. This vibrant small vegetable garden showcases a creative and eco-friendly approach, featuring neatly defined raised beds bordered with an unusual and charming edging made from inverted glass bottles. These unique borders add a distinctive visual texture and color. The beds themselves are filled with a mix of leafy green and purple-tinged vegetables, suggesting a diverse and colorful harvest. A striking burgundy metal trellis with an arched design stands prominently, ready to support climbing plants and add vertical interest. A comfortable wooden bench with concrete supports is positioned on a gravel path in the background, offering a peaceful spot to enjoy the garden. The lush surrounding foliage and wooden fence complete the picture of a charming and thoughtfully designed space that combines sustainability with beauty. 10 patio perfection, abundant container garden with diverse veggies. This inviting image captures a compact and highly productive container vegetable garden set on a warm brick patio. Large, attractive pots and bowls are strategically placed to maximize growing space, showcasing a diverse array of fresh produce. A vibrant red bowl overflows with healthy yellow-stemmed Swiss chard, while a large green bowl holds a bounty of crisp green lettuce. In the background, a robust tomato plant in a large pot is laden with ripening red tomatoes, demonstrating impressive yields from a container. Additional smaller pots with various green plants are visible, adding to the garden's lushness. The brick wall backdrop and subtle flowering plants enhance the cozy, homely feel, proving that even a small patio can be transformed into an abundant and beautiful edible oasis. Aren't those inspiring? It just goes to show you that with a little creativity and smart planning, you can have a thriving vegetable garden, no matter the size of your space. Embracing a small vegetable garden isn't just about growing food, it's about cultivating a healthier lifestyle, finding joy in nature, and adding a touch of personalized beauty to your home. Whether you start with a single pot of herbs or a collection of raised beds, the journey of growing your own food is incredibly rewarding. It connects you to your food source, encourages outdoor activity, and provides a continuous supply of fresh, delicious ingredients. So don't let limited space deter you from your gardening dreams. If you found these small vegetable garden ideas inspiring, please give this video a big thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to Garden Decor Designs for more tips, tricks, and beautiful garden inspiration. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next video. We'd love to hear about your small garden adventures in the comments below. What are you growing? What are your favorite space-saving tips? Happy gardening, and we'll see you in the next video.